Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. As you can see behind me, I got two Fiat 500Es. We're gonna try make two into one, maybe by a third. I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna try to make two into one right now. Two of the same year, 2013. One has 79,000, the other one has 73,000, I think, right around there. So almost the same. But when I got this one, bought this one sight unseen. About 90% of the time you usually get the parts in the back. I didn't see any pictures. I got it from San Jose, so I figured it would come with some parts. Nope, nothing, not at all. No parts, nothing. All I got was a hood latch. That's all I got with this. No headlights, nothing. No radiator support. As you can see, the damage was right here. The bumper should have just been the only thing, and maybe the crash bar. But yeah, I was super pissed. I can't say it's scam, because Copart is just a middle person. A lot of people say it's Copart. Oh, Copart scam. Nah, man. Body shop took the parts. Body shop. So what I went ahead and did was bought a non-running. I'm gonna try to get it running, but it is non-running, clean title parts car. Cost me a little more than the original one, but at least I have every part. I mean, I have all the parts for it, everything, and an extra battery. So I'm going to try to revive the battery. I'm going to drop both batteries because this one's been sitting for so long that it went into minimal voltage, which the computer won't detect it, and it says it's a bad main battery. So I'm going to drop it. Bought me a lithium charging pulse charger, 24 volt, 12 volt, and I think a 36 volt. So I'm going to drop the battery on both of them, charge them. What else? But yeah, it's pretty complete. I filled up the coolant reservoir with just water because it did break the pump. And I think I'll be right back, and we'll check out the interior. Okay. Oh, before we get into the interior, this thing have white accent mirrors, white accent rear deck lid, and rear accent rear valance. And I think the front one, since I don't have the bumper, I'm pretty sure the front has a white grill or wannabe grill, so it's all white accented. And this one has the white interior, which is really clean. No rips, no nothing, just a little discoloration, but really freaking nice. Dirty, but really nice. I like it. It's different. And the reason why the rear seat is up, I took out the main fuse for the lithium battery. Just trying different things. I'm trying to revive it. It's got the little armrest broken over here. Got to glue some tabs. I got the tabs all right here. But yeah, check out the dash. It's pretty cool. I'm loving the white. Love it. And then here's the parts car, all tinted out windows, almost limo pretty much, but this one doesn't have any white accent. It's all gray. And then this one has the black with red interior, which is still clean. Slight rip right here, like all the black ones, but this is the best one that I've seen out of all of them for this year, 2013. So yeah, this one has everything. Oh yeah, I got a car cover back in here. That's where it went. But yeah, this one, the interior is clean also. Came with a charger. The other one didn't. Has a 500E cover for the engine compartment. And like I said, look at this one. This one's all black, all tinted. I don't know. I might, like I said, I might rebuild both of them. We'll see. Oop. As you can see, this one, all the coolant's good. I hooked up a little 12 volt lithium battery. It works. Turns it on. Not enough power, but it turns it on so I can move it. Yeah, so see, this one has the radiator support, the latch, I mean headlights, everything for the other one. Like I said, I bought this one clean title, but I wasn't able to get it clean title. They made it into a salvage title. Sometimes they give them to me, they don't check my my membership, and so they just give them to me for clean title. But this one, nope. So this one's gonna be junk title. Then when I finish, if I do rebuild it, it'll become a salvage title. So when I buy clean title cars, they end up with a junk title, and then if I do all the inspections and everything, turns into a rebuilt salvage title. I don't know why, but that's just the way it comes out. Now these, like this one comes with a salvage certificate. So this one is already salvage. So when I redo it, it just becomes a rebuilt title salvage. It doesn't say nothing about junk, no nothing. That's why I like getting salvage title cars. All right, so I'm gonna start jacking this one up, lowering the battery pack. I'm not gonna show you how to lower the battery pack. It's pretty easy. There's videos out there. And like I said, I don't do a lot of how-to videos. I'm just rebuilding the cars. Take you on the journey with me. If I do run into problems, I tell you, and I tell you if I fix them or not. So this one, I'm gonna drop the battery. I'll show you me taking out the battery and then me taking off the cover and stuff like that. But the how-to, there's plenty of them out there. So let's get this one on the jack. All right, before we go down below, before I show you what it looks like underneath, gotta disconnect the 12 volt. Yeah, I do have it tight. Nice. All right, disconnect that, and then we go inside. Pull this, goes forward, pull this up, and there's the main fuse for the lithium battery. It's a little weird to take out. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's weird. Okay. There we go. Lift up. And you pull up. Oh, the second safety is right here. Do the second safety. And it pulls out. Man, that was hard. That's what it looks like. Alright, so now let's go underneath. And this is what the underneath looks like. These are the two coolant lines in and out. I'm going to drain the coolant, disconnect all the orange lines. This is the communication line, I think. High voltage lines. Charger line, I think. And then there's a yeah, this one right here. Got to disconnect this ground right here. Also, you got to take off this splash shield right there. 1 2 3 4 5, I think 5 or 6 10mm bolts comes down. Then it exposes all this right here, and this is the battery pack all the way. And the reason why you got to take out the rear end is because it goes up and over it. So to take it out, yeah, it's impossible. So I got to take out the rear end. I'll show you that right now. All right, see, as you can see, the battery goes up and over the axle. So you got to drop the axle, and then you disconnect, take out from here, and then there's, I don't know if you can see it, there's three bolts up in there. I think there's 17s, and one there, one up there, and one over here. That drops down. Like I said, you disconnect that, you disconnect the speed sensor right here. Let's see what else. And then you disconnect the shock, and it just comes all down with a jack, with ease, hopefully. And then you just roll it out, and then you disconnect all the stuff from the battery. So I'll be right back. All right, and a few hours later, got the battery out. Got the rear end over here. I took the rear valance so the battery come out easier. I didn't have the car high enough. It was just easier just to take the valance off. Trash can, but yep, that's the rear end. 3 bolts hold it on, and then the shock holds it in, and it all drops down. And then you just disconnect some brake lines, the speed sensor, ABS, whatever you want to call it, on both sides, and it comes right out. Easy, not that hard. For the battery, 1 2 3 4 5 on each side, 10. Drop it down. You got this connector, this connector, this connector, 2 coolant lines, and a ground. Disconnect those. Drops down. Got the battery out. Now I got about 76 or 80 8mm bolts to take out. Hopefully none break. I've heard that they do break. And then let's see. Yeah, take this all out right here. Yeah, loosen all these. These two. And then you can leave this so the top can come off. Alright, so let me start. I'm gonna put this battery pack over here, over in this area. So I'm gonna clean up this right here so I can put it right here so it has shade. Got the cover off. This is what it looks like underneath. 18 modules. So now I'm gonna see which each module measures and write them down, see how balanced it is, see which one's bad, see which one's good, whatnot. All right, it is the next day. As you can see, 2 rear ends. This one's up in the air now, and the rear end is out with its battery pack over here. And you saw in the last clip I had that battery pack open, and there is a bad module. It is this one right here on this corner. This module, no, sorry. I'll open it up and I'll show you, but it is this module right here. This cell got up to 130 degrees when I was trying to charge it. I turned it off. I was a little scared, but it cooled down. It's cold now, so it does make sense. When I did run the codes, when I got the car, it did say that there was one module overheating. Found it. So if that's the case, there's a bad module, I think, in this one, in the parts car, but I'm pretty sure not all of them are bad. So I'm going to check, see which module is good. Hopefully in the same position as that one, the module is good. I'm just going to replace the same section. I'll check to see if this one's good. So let's crack this one open and yeah, see all the nuts and bolts from the other one. Allergies kicking my butt again. Whew. This one, yeah, this one I took out in about an hour, hour and a half. This one took me about 3 hours because like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. This one took me half the time, hour, hour and a half, right around there. Got it out, no problem. So let's crack this one open. Guys, it has been like 3, 4, maybe 5 hours. Guys, oh my god. All right, you saw that I pulled out the battery pack out of this one, right? And I was gonna take it apart. I took it apart, took the top off. I checked current voltage in it, 370 volts. It was a good battery pack. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to it. I could not get it to charge. I couldn't get it to do anything, nothing. I put it back together, put the top back on, installed it in here. Did all sorts of tests. I couldn't get it to charge still, but check it out now, guys. Check it out. It's freaking charging. Hell yeah. 24 hours, 12 minutes. I don't care. I don't care. It's charging. Heck yeah. Oh man. All the work, well worth it. I'm gonna have me a goddamn Fiat running. So I'll come back. Still says 0%. I hope that comes up. It should. Or else if there was a problem, it wouldn't be charging. Like I said, if there was a problem, it would not be charging. So I'll come out here in about an hour, see how much percentage it's got. Like I said, it's going to take 24 hours. So it's around 7 o'clock today. So around 7 o'clock tomorrow, be ready. But guys, this is a total junk car. I am junking this. I'm going to give the battery pack the no good one. It's no good. There's, like I said, there's a bad cell. There's no chance in saving this. I'm gonna give it to my neighbor. I'm gonna sell it to him for like 500 bucks. Well worth it. They're worth around $2,000. So because each module is about $400 or $500. I seen him online, so I'm gonna give him a deal. I'm gonna give it to my neighbor for 500 bucks. He's got solar, and then I'm gonna just put the rear end back in on this one. bleed the brakes, put the crappy tires, take the whole front end that I need off of this one and slap it on this one. Heck yes, so awesome. All right, till tomorrow. All right, and after about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 34%, 24-mile range, not bad, and working on the second dot, so it's charging. Nice. Now it's down to 14 hours. This is awesome. This is great. All right, now after about 3 hours, it has adjusted. Now it's only 10 hours, 43 minutes. It's 53%, 37 miles. And it's at the third bar, has 5 bars. So, yeah, battery pack's not too bad. Not bad for almost 80,000 miles, or like the other one, 73, whatever. Getting late. All right, it is the next day here. After I ran that clip from last night. So it looks like I'm getting a range of about 71, but I haven't driven it. Oh, 72. About 72, 73 is what it comes up with. And it's 100%, well, 99% charged right now. But, yep. So that's what it looks like I'm getting. I think I'm going to end the video right here. I'm not going to bore you with me putting the rear end back in. But on the next video, I am going to start taking apart all of this right here, start taking apart all of this front end right here and sticking it on that one. And I just got the title for this one, so I don't know what Copart did, but they just gave me a clean title for this one, so I don't know what to do now. I don't know. Shoot, the battery pack's no good, so I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. If somebody wants it, I'll sell it to somebody. Clean title, rolling chassis. But back onto this one. Like I said, I think this is going to end this video right here. As you saw, finally got range. It's working. It's going to be a run and drive. So on the next video, we'll see it on the ground. All right, that's going to end Bobby's Backyard for today on the 2013 Fiat 500e full EV electric. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and consider subscribing. And if you have, thank you for the support, and talk to you guys later.